Education has come a long way, from chalkboards and classrooms to the internet and online learning. But what if education could become even more accessible, secure, and fairer for everyone around the world? Today, we're diving into decentralized education with blockchain, a revolutionary concept that could reshape how we learn in the future. Before we talk about decentralized education, let's understand what blockchain is. Imagine a chain made up of blocks, and each block contains some information, like a record of who owns what. These blocks are linked together, and once a block is added, it can't be changed or tampered with. This is called decentralization, meaning no single person or company controls the whole chain. It's shared by many people across the globe. Now, let's look at the current education system. In traditional education, there are schools, universities, and organizations that control access to learning. It's centralized. If you want to study, you need to pay fees, meet requirements, and sometimes it's hard to access education, especially in remote areas. What if education was decentralized, meaning no one institution could control or limit access? Here's where blockchain comes in. With decentralized education, anyone can create, share, and access learning materials without needing to rely on big institutions. Imagine having your courses, degrees, and skills stored securely on a blockchain, where anyone, employers, schools, or organizations can verify it. Example: instead of getting a degree from one university, you could take courses from multiple educators worldwide. Each course you complete would be stored on the blockchain, creating a verified record of your skills and achievements. This way, education becomes more flexible, global, and accessible. There are several key benefits to using blockchain in education. Security. Your achievements and certificates can't be changed or faked. Once added to the blockchain, they're secure forever. Accessibility. Anyone with internet access can learn, no matter where they are in the world. Lower cost. Decentralized systems could reduce education fees by removing middlemen and making learning more affordable. Transparency. Everything is open and verifiable. Schools, students, and employers can see the records, making it easier to trust and verify someone's education. Blockchain-based education is not just a theory. There are already projects using blockchain to make learning more accessible. For example, Blockcerts is a platform that offers verifiable digital certificates stored on the blockchain. BitDegree is an online learning platform where students earn blockchain-based credentials. These projects show that decentralized education isn't just the future, it's already happening. In the future, blockchain could transform education into a system where students control their learning. Imagine building your own customized education from various teachers around the world, earning certificates and badges that are instantly recognized by employers and universities, all without needing to go through traditional gatekeepers. Decentralized education with blockchain opens doors to a world where learning is more inclusive, affordable, and transparent. The future of education is about empowering everyone to learn anytime, anywhere with a system they can trust. So, what do you think? Will blockchain unlock a new era of learning? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the future of technology and education.